Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone is doing good. So, today the market has traded in a very small range. The market was consolidating. So, this is good for our market. So, now let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning for tomorrow's expiry. We'll follow by FII. In options, today they have increase calls, decrease, put. Not a huge number, but a little contracts. So input they were holding 3,37,000 contract input buying. Now they have unwinded 18,000 contract, and in call they were holding 1,22,000 of call buying. They have added 11,000 contract. So they have 3,19,000 of put contracts and 1,34,000 of call contract. Anyhow, put is more than call. It means they are bearish in option. And in future index, 40% long and 60% short. In future index also they are bearish, and in stock futures neutral, 52% long, 48% short, and a huge amount of cash flow we have seen. They have sold off for 3,208 crores in the cash market. So continuously they are selling in cash market and they are hedging their positions. So FII is very much bearish. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 3,72,000 put writing contract. So they have unwinded 1.54 lakh contract. Now they have 2 lakh 18,000 contract in put writing, and in call they were holding 1 lakh 69,000 of call buying contract. They have unwinded 45,000 contract. So they have 1 lakh 24,000 of call buying contract. So today the client has supported the market. In options they were having a very good number of contracts. So that's why we have seen a very good consolidation in our market. Even though the FII sold for 3,000 crores, DI have supported with the cash flow, whereas client has supported with the derivatives contracts. So client in options they are very much positive, and in future index they have 62% long, 38% short. They are positive in future index, and stock futures long 87, short 13%. They are positive in stock futures too, and they have sold for 110 crores. It means they are very much positive in derivatives, but they are selling in cash. Promoters input they were holding 5,000 of put contract. They have unwinded this and made a fresh put writing of 1,30,000 of put writing contract. And in call they were holding 2,92,000 of call writing. They have unwinded 33,000 contract. They have 2,58,000 of call writing contract. Even here call writing contract are more. They have added a put writing. It means the market has to be in a range bound. They tend to believe this, but they are more on a negative side in options. And in future index they have 28% long, 72% short. They are very much bearish in future index. And stock futures 68% long, 32% short. They are positive here. And in cash flow 63 crores they have purchased for. It means see they are negative in futures. This is also negative, positive in stock future percentage, and positive in cash flow. They are hedging their positions, but more on negative side only we can consider. So DII purchased for 2,430 crores in the cash market. So cash flow was 824 negative figures in crores value. So see 800 crores we have seen a cash flow going out of our market, but still the market was in a consolidation phase, and Nifty was slight negative compared to Bank Nifty was 200 points up. So who has supported the market? DII plus the derivative segment clients. PCR Nifty today was 0.59, Bank Nifty was 0.78. So for this week, it means for tomorrow, a good buying has to come in Nifty. In your Bank Nifty slide positive, and for this month end, Nifty is at 1.11, Bank Nifty is at 0.94. So this is neutral to positive. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See, they have opened gap up, and that gap up has sustained. They're trading with 97 points higher now. So tomorrow there is a CPI data going to publish, and people believe the CPI inflation data should be positive, due to which we are seeing a positive market today. See, Dow in 1 day time frame they also trade positive with 86 points higher now. They having a very good resistance of 34,000 here. Until they break this, They are not moving higher, and this is a major resistance. SGX is trading 48 points higher. India VIX at 15.43. Not that comfortable, but it's okay. So see Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has traded in a very small range and it has closed in a doji kind of a candle, and this shows the market can move either ways. It can move higher, it can also fall. It's better not to trade Nifty. So as per the Nifty, see, it has stuck in a very small range, a very good resistance it has, and also a very good support. Let's check Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has closed with 200 points higher. So as per the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is more positive than Nifty, and it has given a very good kind of a green candle. It is like a hammer candle. So it can be a reversal from here. Bank Nifty as per the price action. So the reversal should happen with these levels. So we have to wait and watch for Bank Nifty. But Nifty we don't have any view. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is very much neutral. We having a call writing, we having a put writing. The market has to be in consolidation phase only as per the open interest analysis. As per the price action, Nifty is weak, Bank Nifty is slight positive. As per the PCR, Nifty has to move higher and Bank Nifty also has to trade positive only. So tomorrow is wait and watch day. So first off, if the market is consolidating, the second off can be a trending day. So tomorrow is expiry. I wish everyone make a very good profit tomorrow. So wait for the good levels. And if market is not trending tomorrow, please don't take a trade. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.